everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 1st. I was looking for an unchanged, a slightly higher day because I thought we could have some positive news coming out. Well, we did. We did have some positive news coming out, but the market seems to be concerned about some of that information and what it means for the future, what it means for Fed actions. But do we expect further follow through to the downside? Actually, I don't. I'm looking for a break to the downside, lower prices, and then a shadow on the low, similar to what we're seeing right here. That's my expectation for Friday. Let's move on over to those currencies. The dollar continues weaker as the euro continues stronger. I also want to point out to you that the Aussie dollar did trade below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $1,850 per contract. That's just to give you a reference of that magnitude of change. In the British pound, that difference between the bearish level and the bullish level in that market is $2,062.50. And over here in our friend the loonie, the Canadian dollar, the difference between the bearish level and bullish level in that market is $550 per contract. So we're looking for the euro to continue its beat, but in a smaller range to the upside for Friday's action. Now, I do like lower prices in the notes. As you know, I've been bearish this market. However, it is very bouncy down here, and that goes back to the break that we saw in the stock market. I'm looking for a sideways move in the Treasury notes. Gold. Well, we were talking before that we need to be cautious about this market. The difference between the bearish level and bullish level in that market is $700 per contract. The difference in silver between the bearish level and bullish level in that market is $1,750. I'm looking for a relatively quiet range, sideways move for both of those markets. Crude oil continued higher as the dollar got weaker. I don't have a lot of faith in this at all, but I've been saying that for a while. The fact is, though, the fundamentals really don't support this market moving. So I'm skeptical, I'm cautious of the movement here to the upside. But let's move on. And let's take a look at beans. You know, we talked yesterday about how the beans gave us a big move. I was looking for an unchanged type day, but instead we had new highs on selling. I'm looking for a sideways move today in the soybean market. And that concludes. Oh, I should also tell you about corn. Corn, we traded above the bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $400 a contract. Well, and I'm looking for a sideways move. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.